I've looked on Quora and I can't find a way to do this. How do I bulk unfollow on Quora? Let's go look at this real quick. For a simple answer, I do not believe there is a process for doing it. So I'm on Quora, and the way I go find my followers, I go to my profile, right here, my profile. Now it says I'm following 2 people, and I believe I'm following 2. I'll show that to you. If I click on that, these are the 2 people I'm following. But I'm also, if you go look, I'm also following down here, I'm following these spaces. So the way you unfollow a space is you just hover over this, and when you hover over it, just be patient, and it'll come up, and then you can click on following, and now I'm unfollowing. Same thing here. If I hover over this image and I go up here, I click on following, I'm unfollowing that. Let's see, do I have another one? Yeah, there's no one more up here. Hover over the icon and go straight down or straight up to following. Now if I hit refresh, you'll see I'm only following these 5. Now back to up here, I'm following 2 Quora members. If I click on that, 2 ways I can do it. I can hover over the picture and scroll all the way down and click that, or just come over here and click following and I'm unfollowing. So probably the quickest way, since there's no bulk way, the quickest way to unfollow Quora members is come over here to click on following, and then just click on following, and you're unfollowing. Because there is no bulk way to unfollow people whom you're following on Quora. I'm Teddy, I'm a Google Workspace, a LinkedIn strategist, and a Quora contributor. That's the best answer I have for this question.